Okay, so today I'm here for a new feature, AI feature from the house of Google. This is Google Notebook LM. So we go to google.com and then we search for the apps there, and then you can see this Notebook LM appearing there. How to use it? We can search for different things and we can get summary for them for the different content. And I had recorded another video, but somehow the audio setting was not right, so I'm recording it again. What we need to do, we get an option here, create new. So I will click on it. Okay, so the interface gives different options. We can add sources, upload a file. We can use Google Drive, Google Workspace, link of a website or YouTube, or we can just copy paste some text. So suppose how to use it. Like suppose I have this video of 30 minutes on Python pandas from Tech with Him. Very good channel. The content is absolutely fantastic, but sometimes we need to get an overview of something within a very quickly. So 30 minutes could be a long time at a stretch. What we can do, we can just copy the link here and we can paste it here. Okay, fantastic. So on the left, you can see the source, and it has generated a analysis of Python pandas fundamentals. So the source provides an overview of the Python pandas library for data analysis and manipulation, and then it talks about the installation of pandas environment such as Jupyter Notebook, which is emphasizes. Then we have talk of different data structures used in pandas series, data frame, loading data from CSV file, and other things. Then on the right hand side, you can see it provides an audio overview, video overview, and you can go for different languages as well if you want. There is a mind map. Suppose I want a summary within 90 words. So it gives it very fast. And then suppose I want to have a mind map. I can click on it. So it is analyzing, taking its time. Meanwhile, we can ask some question here. Please, very elementary question, but so meanwhile we can just see go through it. Okay, so here we have got the result. We can just click on it. So it gives a full mind map of how this fundamentals is divided. We can download and save it as well. Okay, uh, then we can have an audio overview. We can customize it, so I can make it shorter. And if you have some focus or anything specific you want to say, so you can go for it. and then click on generate. It will take some time. Okay, so we have it ready. We can just play it.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping straight into Python pandas. If you're doing anything with data science, machine learning, even just complex data analysis, well, pandas is pretty much essential. Our mission here is simple: give you the fundamentals fast,
Yeah.
a whole workflow, loading to saving.
Right. And getting started is straightforward. It's just pip install pandas. And then the convention, import pandas as PD.
Okay, standard stuff. But why is it the go to?
Ah, well, the key thing, the technical bit, is speed. It's built on NumPy. NumPy is written in C, and it allows for something called vectorization.
Vectorization means.
And it operates on whole columns of data at once, not like looping through Python lists row by row. Super slow that way. Pandas avoids that.
Gotcha. So it's inherently faster because of that underlying structure. What are these structures?
Two main ones. First, the series. Think of it like a single column or maybe a single row. It's 1D, basically a list but with labels, an index.
Okay, one dimension.
Yeah, and the other,
The,
that's the powerhouse.
ah,
The data frame,
yeah.
usually just called DF. It's 2D. It's essentially your spreadsheet or your SQL table, but living right there in Python. Labeled rows, labeled
A
columns.
super fast table you can tweak instantly. Okay, practical steps. Getting data in.
Yep, that's usually the first hurdle. Pandas loves 2D.
So that was quite awesome. You can give thumbs up if you like. And then there is a video overview. I need to explore it. Flashcards. Maybe you can just see if it gives the output fast. We can download the audio overview as well if we want, or we can share as well. Let's see what it is giving. Good. Great for interviews or revision for a test. Okay, so that was one thing. Now, okay, suppose we want to have something and we do not know the link or the articles or videos, then there is one thing that Notebook LM provides, that is discover sources. So we click on it. Suppose I want to have a brief code converting Word document to PDF using Python. Please have no then its sources input. So I want a brief code for converting Word document to PDF using Python, and I want no more than 8 sources in input. And of course, I will go for web. I will click on submit, and all of this I am recording on Clipchamp. So there are some issues I faced with Clipchamp earlier on that I need to figure a way out. Okay, so I will. It is still giving me 10 sources. I don't know why. Maybe need to customize the prompt, but I can go for 6 sources should be enough, or maybe two more. 9, quite fast. It is not okay. I think I need to go something. Okay, let me do this thing. I think I need to go back here, create new Discord sources, and mm, again 10 sources. I think this is some default setting. Okay, so we get the output Python methods for docx to PDF conversion. So it talks about the method. What I want is I want a simple example with actual code snippets. So ideally, it would have taken me quite some time to understand the code, to go into the nitty gritty of all these commands, the variable assignment, if, else, try, except, because I'm basically a database guy and moved to Python sometime back only. But here, using this tool, I'm getting it pretty fast. So we need to install docx to PDF. I think I've talked about this earlier. So this is one of the way using batch conversion. The other way is single file conversion. And there is one more way I caught earlier, but I don't know. It is not using Windows on this way Windows only, and this one I think can do on other environment also. And then we have the other option: audio, video, reports. As of now, I think you can try these options. I think this C double backslash should work. You can give a name also, or you can go for this option. You can give a PDF file name. You can give a try, see how it works. But for a number of things, this, of course, ChatGPT can also provide a lot of options and other tools like Perplexity or Gemini, but the audio overview and all this in a single box or a containerized way. This is the big advantage of using Google Notebook LM. So do try it out and let me know how it goes for you, how well it does for you. Till that time, signing off. Have a nice day. And need to fix the clip champ